Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to add a limit order on MetaTrader 5 mobile app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5. Then go and click on this icon so you can show this buy and sell, as you can see. And you can change the lot size. So let's say, for example, I want 0.5. Okay. Now go to this clock sign here, click on it. And as you can see, we have here sell limit. So when the price goes back to this place, your sell limit will be fulfilled. But let's say, for example, you want a buy limit. This is for the sell limit. All you have to do is drag it down and you will get a buy limit. Okay. So when the price hits here, your buy limit will be fulfilled. Okay, I think that you get the idea. You can add also the stop loss from here. For example, this is my stop loss. And you can add also the take profit, as you can see, like this. And now just click on this icon here, this arrow. Click on place. And as you can see, our buy limit is here. Buy limit. This is stop loss and this is take profit. You can change the place if you want. Just click on it and drag it. Okay, like this. You can also change your take profit like this. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.